Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade yogurt. First, select your milk. Whole milk often yields the creamiest texture. Gently heat the milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius on the stove top. This crucial step eliminates any competing bacteria, ensuring your starter culture can thrive. Remember to stir continuously to prevent the milk from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Once heated, cool the milk down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 43 degrees Celsius. This temperature is ideal for the beneficial bacteria in your starter. Now, introduce your starter culture. About 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with live active cultures works perfectly. Stir it in thoroughly, ensuring the culture is evenly distributed throughout the milk. Transfer your cultured milk into clean jars or a dedicated yogurt maker. The fermentation process requires a stable, warm environment, ideally between 100 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it ferment undisturbed for 6 to 12 hours. The longer it ferments, the tangier and thicker your yogurt will become, so adjust to your preference. After fermentation, move your yogurt to the refrigerator. Chilling for at least 4 hours is essential, as this allows the yogurt to fully set and develop its final texture. It will continue to thicken as it cools. Now, your delicious homemade yogurt is ready to enjoy. Serve it plain or add fruits, granola, or honey for a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.